Coco and Angie. It's like, oh, I don't need you.
And files now, they will how to complete
it. Completely, yeah.
Oh, we do it.
Yeah. I can't say, I really can't say, no joke. Okay. A life changing opportunity. Concerning mommy.
Okay.
Also, something.
Okay.
We professor, no, can say. Also, but then the Panama. I didn't know at the point to the Panama just one reason. So, obeying you flow.
Me, I'm that ready now. I wanted to tell you, say, provide us what the Panama need, and say, one can say, no office now here at stake.
There's no way we have too many chests in one company.
No! I wanted to suck you.
The main reason is on website here. And he said, Mom not trusting me.
Yeah, she
trusted me.
Yeah,
with evidence.
Since now the document we are go through the amber, but
good. If you be person now, because of what trusting me until what be there. I don't know. It say, if they go, be for arranging be for more sense in ownership no. Buy
hey, when you say idea with the
me, I've been thinking overnight too. At the moment now, or introducing the banner say, or yet many session. What I'm saying, there's something ahead of us.
Yes, when you and was asking about the coming in to know, but provide is written providing Papa, so I may take over. That means you need a joy. I am a soon if I saw Debbie.
50-50 deal. Say, Bibiaba company, we know you, if you know, we know you 50-50. But I said, it will me so. Because that children was so. Yaman, sure. Now, the Bama I am on the same baby, number one. Trust me, manager, no, trust me. So what I say, don't worry. What I say, we say office, it will be near 50-50.
Oh, 50.
Why? I've been calling you over and over and you're not picking. Why? What's wrong?
Oh, sorry. Wait, my phone now. I think I'm just charge or why a conference room. No, I just left the phone there.
I really need to talk to you about something. It's urgent. Can we go inside and
Oh, I think the office is too stuck and Angie too is inside, so we can't talk there. Oh, so if it's something that is confidential, I know we have to talk here. I think this place is more better. I even need you. I just want us to discuss something very important.
Really? What's it about?
I overheard Jim and accountant were planning evil against you and your mother, trying to steal all your properties away from you.
What are you talking
about? Home, bank, everywhere, for you to become poor.
I don't get it. Like, what are you trying to say? How?
I went to your mother's office to go and check, to go and bring some documents out. When I didn't find it, I was coming back when I saw them talking here. We're planning evil against your mother, you and your mother. And they were saying you are too harsh on them, you insult them and the whole stuff. So I didn't want to tell you in the first place, but I was planning how to get rid of them. Yeah.
So did they tell me what they intend doing? Like, did you overhear them say what?
They want to type a whole full document, like a power of attorney, for your mom to append her signature on it. So immediately your mother appends her signature, automatically your mother willingly donate all his properties to them. Yeah. Because they know your mother will not read what they have present to her.
I see.
Yeah.
You know, there's a reason for everything. I knew from the start that guy, in fact, those two guys are not of any good impact to this company. You know, I'll handle them. Don't worry. I will deal with them. I'll let them know that
No, please. Please,
don't
approach them. No, don't.
So you want them to take all those things away? Like, how can you sit and watch them do away with my mother's property just like that?
Don't worry. I have a plan. Don't worry.
You have a plan?
Yes, just leave them. If you approach them, they will know. Jam! It's no worry. I have a plan. If you approach them, they will have an idea that you know what they will plot. So don't approach them. Just leave them.
So how are you going to handle it?
Don't worry. I'll fix everything in the right direction.
Are you sure?
I am sure. You know I love you. I'll do everything for you. If I don't love you, I won't tell you. And it hurts me to see you and your mother go back in poverty.
If not.
Yes, don't. Just
I'm counting on you.
Yes, just trust me. It will be done play very well in front of you. Then you take the matter on.
Anyway, I trust you though, so
Yeah.
I'll just...
Do you want me to do anything for you?
Actually, I was calling you to come and work on some documents for me, but then...
Okay, then let's go and let me check it.
Alright.
Be cheerful. I will work it out.
I hear.
Don't worry.
You will get you over this.
Everything is set. Don't worry. Go through.
Okay. You fill this portion too?
Yeah. Alright. At the moment you're always signing BBN.
Yeah.
The house, the company, everything is house.
Yeah.
You bet you be 50-50.
50-50. If
What's
you
the
turn
name?
into
You
60-40, I'll murder you.
No. My best here.
Okay.
I'm a rare guy.
Yeah, sure. I can see everything is clear.
Yes.
So let's put it inside, alright?
So, and then be a case, bro. Everything for the parking, for the that in a banner. Abahana obi able as if say on the sea company no. Me me shinsi nipa mu ebiase nipa nyina sa girl. Kasa no anyhow. Would you imagine say the last time I trained 20,000.
Yeah.
The 50 so we deal of 50.
Now she doesn't speak English. What is that?
I was slapping one day. This girl. Bro, let's go for lunch.
Go for lunch.
Yes, because right here we are billionaires, no millionaires, billionaires. So talk as a billionaire.
Yes.
Eat as a billionaire.
Walk like
a billionaire.
Yes.
But madam, I like you. But you like that's how
we said that you like madam.
Madam, you cool. Madam, you cool, but about one day, one is who had sometimes you have to use your what? Your guns. Your head. Use your guns. As a man, take cash. Okay.
plan all this.
Gentlemen, if you don't step aside, I will stop you. How dare you? How dare you? You are so stupid. Do you think you are joking with this? Do you think you are joking with this?
So what man? You planned this evil thing against me?
Relax.
Me? It's okay. It's
Okay,
okay.
now my 5K.
No.
My 5K.
I said this is a serious matter here. How can you do this to me?
Shadrach, don't talk to me.
Can you
Shut up.
Like
Shadrach.
the remote and everything.
So you and Angelo plan evil against me. Upon what I've been doing for both of you.
It was the work of the devil.
I just increased your pay
Yes.
from 8,000 to 15,000.
Please.
And you too.
It's a work of the devil.
50% increment.
Oh, sure.
I thought you were giving the company.
And you plan evil against me.
I thought.
Okay, thank you.
Mom.
You people want me to go to...
Hey, don't touch my mom.
Mom.
Are you crazy?
Back to zero.
Mommy.
Can you hold on, please?
Mommy, first of
Let me talk. If I'm talking, you don't talk.
yes, madam.
Say it.
Mommy. Yes, mommy.
They brought... Hey, leave me. They brought you here. From now on, you are going to be my personal bodyguard.
Very well.
Nice. All correct,
In
man.
that year's group
Hey, don't touch
of
me.
companies. Okay?
So my let's start now.
Yeah.
Right now.
What?
What is my phone? You stop. Mommy, my phone. Hey,
Hey.
so you wanted to steal my phone?
Chairman. What? Go. Yes. Stop.
It's okay.
You where is my 5K? Listen. Say where is my 5K if you don't fuck up? It's me and say you. I have to do work now.
You can kill me.
Say mommy.
Mr. Kuma.
Mommy.
Flower. And your mommy. You've really shown love to me. And I appreciate it. Because we'll be an meeting I didn't know yet. But sure, my mom said, but we say, we come family.
Yeah.
I'm sure with us.
Amen.
I dear YAHWEH. Until you can say, company. The man will take over, general manager.
Mommy.
Yes.
Let me shout. I'm so grateful. Let me shout. Pa.
Now from now on, they say the Babatimas. And I'm say, you're really up and down, continue to go up to you're really management. Best Babatimas will take you over.
Yeah.
I will see you. Of that is
A group of companies.
companies.
Thank you very much, Mommy.
The two of you for money to form. One company no. Obi am for say. Or you could I will be taking accountancy side no. Just fix that person. Obi so you could do. Moi, je suis dans mon appointing as general secretary.
Okay.
You see me shirt man so. Boa, abofra no. Na adwuma no. Enyini mo.
Mommy yate. Yemono sense from da. Me so metai puata mechi. Na yayire ho akonkode. Sede be ya osuso. Ebia wo bia no. Say I continue say fine. Also when you bet you say when any papa need name the papa na befi. You mean bia some the web one. I made you man to pa a frat and said away. But I say I'm so grateful.
Thank you. I'm also grateful. I know you can do more better.
Hey, Mommy. I would like to promise you, sir. It is only me that.
Sure.
You asked me straight and you see. In shape, meaning, send it, Sebi, back a career, Sakama, bra. any modern body a putty of this company. You see, there's no way messing up our shama or break. Mommy, when you have me, so when you deal with me, any company in a shame insanity. Would that I'll treat it just as me sweats na me di.
Yeah.
I need you, mom.
Yeah.
I
And
have
I'll
my
support
word.
you on that.
Real.
To make it a good
Sure.
business.
Fatima,
Mommy.
when you say you're my only child,
I know.
and so you need the idea. What says so? That's all it's me, I catch one.
Yeah, I got you, Matty. The dancing so hard. I'm sure.
Thank you. We are really grateful.